You can speak it.
So what are you doing there, Mamacita?
And
Jenya?
Jenya's just cutting up some carrots, some onions, some fresh potatoes. We're
Good.
gonna put them in.
Got a couple of T-bones going. It's kind of cold out there and it's late and it's dark. So today we're going to. What are we doing there?
I don't know. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Making some supper.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And?
And then we'll curl up because it's cold and
Oh.
it's minus 20.
It's minus 20.
Meno 20.
Oh, okay.
Some nice fresh garden potatoes, patata de giardino, un po' di olio di oliva. There's our meal.
Uh-huh. So,
La bistecca.
yeah, I salted them earlier. Well, and I'm gonna get the Montreal steak spice out to cover them and
Rinse it.
rinse it. So we got a bag full of potatoes. These are garden potatoes. Who grows these?
One of my clients.
One of your clients?
Andy.
And
These are from Andy.
ah,
My clients are good to me. They all brought me lots of vegetable this year.
yeah.
Dei clienti, tutti i vegetabili per la tavola a mangiare. I love fresh garden potatoes. That's good.
All right.
Turn it off now. We can show the results after.
Mm-hmm. Gotta break open a bottle of wine
Oh my
with the
goodness.
steak. Maybe a shot of tequila after.
I highly doubt that.
So I got a good friend of mine there dropped off a bottle of tequila. And that's going to be for our Christmas party.
Margaritaville.
Margaritaville. Ciao, Jenya.
Ciao, a dopo.